Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in into your EPS mortgage account. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser and in the Google search bar search for EPM mortgage login. This is an ad, so go ahead and click the second link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the EPM wholesale mortgage site. Click on the three lines and go to login. Now you can click on which of your mortgage type it is. So click on wholesale and you can see the email. Click on your email and then type your password and press continue. And there you go. You have now logged into your EPM mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye and take care.